Hi, now I'll show you how to make video without noise. Noise is very important factor. Look, there are voice level. When I speak about it, the level increased, and if I make silent, then it will be decreased. Okay, already you locked here, and if I make silent, though there are some noise from outside, and we have to reduce this noise actually. Okay, this is Windows system operating system. So here is the speakers 100% here. Now go to recording device area, and we will make and there's the properties area. Here we shall make some changes to show the actual scenario. Go to levels and look here, microphone boost here 0. If I make increase it, then you will hear my voice more loud. Okay, here, and they are also very loud, and here is red sign. If I make more advanced, so you will listen my words very loudly, but noise is very high. But because due to this microphone boost in highest level, so this software are taking or covering more noise from his outsides or surroundings. So we must have to make it 0 level, and we should make it average level. So if we make it 100 level or more, then we will get more sound and more noise. So I think you understand. Suppose if I make 0, so you will not, when I make it 0, you will not see another noise. Okay, low. So we have to make it average level. So we make video actual noise without noise, and video will be, and sound will be enough good. Okay, I hope you understand, and this way we can make our video without noise. And there are a lot of tools to reduce noise. Actually it is the primary step to make your video noiseless. Thank you.